To enable the face detection analytic, log into the Illustra Web Gui. The default username and password will be admin. Select Setup from the web interface banner at the top and navigate to Event and Actions and Analytics. Select Face Detection from the banner. To enable face detection, select the checkbox. Highlight faces is optional, but will show a hitbox when a face is detected. The Enhance Faces checkbox will enhance the video feed when a face is detected. The action is set up for what action will happen when a face is detected.